Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kiki Necessary, and how you doing? So I'm here laying down watching a show, but basically I wanted to update you guys that I know I have been MIA on my channel, but it's not like I have anything to vlog, so I'm just not vlogging honestly. But tomorrow I'm taking my niece to a trip, so I'll be doing that. So I might be vlogging that if I remember my camera. Hopefully I do. If not, I vlog on my phone and try to transfer the files. But yeah, that's what I'm up to so far. So hopefully I'll be getting a vlog soon. What else? I don't know. Well, I'm laying on my shirt because I don't want my makeup to transfer on my pillow. Okay, so I'm just laying on my shirt. Kind of tired, but yeah, that's it for no. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Hopefully, I enjoy my day because my niece is 7 years old and it's a school trip. And let me tell you, I'm not really for the children stuff. Let me not say that, because then you're gonna take it the wrong way. It's not that I'm not for the children stuff. I cannot manage having so much children around me at once. Maybe 5 at a time, but 20, 30, that's kind of a bit too much for me. And then because I'm very overprotective, it's going to be a task, because I know I'm going to see stuff that I don't appreciate on this trip from adults that should be aware of their surrounding. But anyways, that's another thing. But hopefully we enjoy the trip. Well, it's not necessarily that I need to enjoy the trip. Hopefully Marshinique enjoys the trip, and if she enjoys the trip, then that's all that matters, because at the end of the day the trip is for her, and I'm just going there so that she has a guardian around her. So hopefully I get to record clips of the trip so that I can put out a vlog. Yes. I'm a bit tired, so I'm going to go to my bed now. So I'll see you guys soon. And if I just by the way, if I just do little clips of the, what am I talking about? Alright, so if I only do a few clips of the trip, I'll just make it into a little video. So this will just be the intro, and then you'll just see a little video of glimpses of the things, because I think we're going to Port Royal, King's House, and Devon House. So I'll definitely let you guys know the places that we actually go. Yeah, I'll let you guys know that. But it is definitely, the trip is definitely to go to Port Royal, King's House, and Devon House. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.